Hey folks, it's Keith Stickley with Stickley Family Farms. I'm not telling you what we're putting out in BoneTown next, but there are some definite weird clues. I don't know. Skeletons might have their own Area 51. Stay tuned and we'll take a look. Hey folks, it's Keith Stickley from Stickley Family Farms. We gave you a little sneak peek of what we might be doing. This might be the most creative load we've ever tried to move and bring back to the farm, so wish us luck. I wish it flew on its own.